Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I made a trip to an LCS today. It's a local coin shop or a local coin store, and it was recommended by a fellow YouTube community member that lives out in the same area that I do. And so I've been meaning to get over there for quite a while, but I finally had a chance to get over there and check it out. And I have to tell you, it was pretty cool. A very nice place. It was a smaller place, but really nice people in there, really good guys. Had a great conversation with them. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at what I picked up. Alright, well you can see what I picked up. It's on the screen there. And, for quite a while now, I've been trying to collect the silver proof sets. I don't collect the clad proof sets. But the silver I like to collect because they do have silver in them, and they're relatively inexpensive. And I'm really close to having them all. This gets me really, really close. So as you can see, I got the 1992 and the 1994. And the only one I need now from the 90s is 1995. And I haven't bought the 2018 or the 2019 yet. Not really sure why. I guess I was just kind of waiting. This guy said he sells the 2018 for a really good price. He didn't have any in stock. It's too bad because I would have bought one of those too. But anyway, the only one I'm going to need in the 90s and all the way up to 2018 is going to be the 1995. And these here, there's nothing fancy about these compared to the newer ones. These are one sleeve. You always want to, when you buy a proof set, you always want to make sure you have a certificate of authenticity in there. Make sure it's in good shape too. So as you can see here, hate those lights. There's only 5 coins in there. Let me see if I can move it over here. There's the quarter. There's the half, the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny. And the half, and the quarter, and the dime are 90%. And so here's the beautiful backs. Stuff on there. Very, very nice coins. Proof coin should basically be in almost perfect condition. So yeah, so it's just a standard proof set. And if we look over here, certificate of authenticity does tell you the composition of each coin. So if you go down to the quarter, the half, and the dime, you can see that they're coin silver 90%, 90%, 90%. And for those of you who don't know, in 2019 they started making these out of 999. So I really need to get a 2019. I'd really love to have one with the change of the silver composition. But I'll get it in due time. So let me go ahead and put this back in the package. And we'll see what else I got here. These packages are kind of weird because they're kind of hard sometimes to get together and take apart without destroying it. Kind of a strange decision for those, but I also picked up a 2013 Kookaburra. I don't really, the lights are bouncing off that. No, I don't really collect a whole lot of these premium type rounds. This is probably a coin, isn't it? Yeah, it's a coin. It's got $1 on there. But he had this. I don't think I have a 2013. I pick them up every once in a while and get them for a good price. He had this for $20, which I thought was a pretty good price. And I got home and looked it up on eBay, and sure enough, I would have paid anywhere from $25 to $35 with shipping on a lot of them. So it was a good price. I knew it was a decent price. So as long as I'm there, I'd pick it up. That's something on the case there. That's okay. So I got an ounce of silver there. Zoom this back out. And so when it comes to these older coins, I'm not really sure, what to look for. I'm not an expert on them. I've just been trying to collect a few more. These 1853s. We have some other 1853 coins. Some of the dimes and half dimes and stuff. So I just wanted to pick up the same year. You can see here, I haven't looked, but I believe it's copper. You can tell by the blue on it, I think. 1853. It's actually pretty decent shape, I think. I did not pay the $15 it's on it. He gave it to me for a better price than that. And so, yeah, pretty nice, huh? I believe these are called large cents. A large cent. And it's pretty cool. Man, think about how old that coin is. Pretty good detail on it still. And as long as I've still got my camera zoomed in, I'm going to take a look at this 2-cent piece. 1865. I've got an 1865 3-cent piece. I thought this would be a nice coin to go with that. And 2 cents. Pretty cool, huh? 2-cent piece. Alright, so yeah, that's what I picked up. I picked up a couple proof sets, a large cent, a 2-cent piece, and a 2013 Kookaburra. Pretty cool, huh? Get a little bit of that shine off of there. And now what you see is me. That's not good. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you guys, one of the reasons why I do these videos too is to document my progress and document when I pick this stuff up. You can tell by the dates on my videos. And so it's really a good way to document your purchases as well as showing others some of the cool stuff you picked up. So that's it for now. And why don't you check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there. And also, if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that. And hit that bell next to the subscribe button as well. That'll give you notifications whenever I put a new video out, which I do quite a bit. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.